Hello everyone! Recently I decided to buy the new iPad Pro 2020. My second gen started to have its own life. I went with the standard iPad Pro 12 9-inch 128 gigs, double of much gig than my second gen had. It also comes with a better processor with a A12C Bionic chip and more RAM, way more than my second gen has. So that means more layers in Procreate, one of my favorite drawing apps. I also added engraving on my pencil with Yes Draws. Don't know if you can see it, but it's there. And of course a cover to protect my new friend. I went with the Otterbox Symmetry. I never used this brand before. I usually has life proof on my phone, so it's kind of fun to test something new. My brother has recommended them a lot, and I love having a cover on my expensive tech, no scratches and so on. I did use my second gen iPad Pro a lot since I got it back when it was released in, was it 17? And it was time to get a new one, and I really like the new design for this, even if it wasn't that of a big update from the 2018 model, but it was for me. Like I mentioned before, I use these tablets for mostly art, and my main drawing software is Procreate. I'm thinking of getting Clip Studio Paint, but it has subscription. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's a still great software. I also use Affinity Photo and Designer. For this drawing playing in the background right now was first sketched out in Affinity Designer, but I found a bug that I didn't like. It added like a dot in the beginning of the stroke, so I had to move it over to Procreate instead. The full time-lapse video will come in the future. When it comes to the drawing experience, it's pretty much the same as the second gen had, except for some weird uneven friction on the LCD display. I don't know really what it is or why. My second gen had it too, but not this much. So I don't know if it gets better if you get a screen protector or not, but it's there just so you know. I mostly notice it most when I'm doing long strokes, not when I'm doing small ones, but this is a person to person kind of thing. Well, the end has come, and thank you for watching my unboxing of iPad 2020. This video is also my very first one with voiceover. If you like what you just saw and want to see more, then please subscribe. It will mean the world to me if you did. I also stream on Twitch every Wednesday and Sunday, so if you're interested, come and say hi. Links are in the description below. Once again, thank you for stopping by and watching this video, and I hope to see you here in the next one. See ya!